Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the GATE Civil Engineering exam. First, thoroughly understand the official syllabus. Identify subjects with higher weightage to prioritize your study efforts. Also, review previous exam papers to familiarize yourself with the question types and difficulty levels. This initial step is crucial for building a strong foundation and directing your preparation effectively. Next, develop a well-structured study timetable. Allocate specific time slots for each subject, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Choose high-quality study materials and standard reference books. Consider leveraging online platforms or coaching institutes if you feel they can enhance your understanding and provide valuable guidance. Consistency is key here. Practice is paramount for success. Aim to solve at least 10 years of previous GATE question papers. Regularly take full-length mock tests to simulate the actual exam environment and improve your speed. After each test, meticulously analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas and conceptual gaps, then work on improving them. Finally, focus on exam day readiness. Practice time management during your mock tests to ensure you can complete the paper efficiently. Maintain a positive mindset and manage any stress through relaxation techniques. Remember to prioritize your physical and mental well-being throughout this demanding preparation period.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.